In this example, the operation of the light bulb is controlled by an Arduino and a relay, with the possibility of connecting any high-voltage devices instead of the light bulb. The program enables the management of the device by entering commands from the computer, and the communication is carried out serially or remotely via the internet, Bluetooth, or other type of connection. The available commands are #on, turns on the device, #off, turns off the device, #SOS, emits an SOS signal using a light bulb, #repeat, enables the automatic inclusion of device in certain time intervals, which the user defines in the program. The program provides the following functionalities. 1. Basic management, simple switching on and off of devices. 2. SOS signaling. The light bulb is used to send an SOS signal using Morse code. A shorter switch on represents a dot, and a longer switch on represents a dash. 3. Periodic switching on. It is possible for the device to switch on automatically at certain intervals, e.g. every hour, every 12 hours, once a day, and work for a certain time. Demonstration example: a device turns on every 10 seconds and stays on for 3 seconds, after which it is turned off for 7 seconds. Required components: Arduino Uno R3, relay module, LED and resistor. Program explanation. This Arduino sketch demonstrates a versatile relay control system with remote command functionality. It allows for controlling a relay connected to pin 4, implementing a repeating task, and sending an SOS distress signal via Morse code. 1. Setup function. Initializes the relay pin as an output. Starts the serial communication at 9600 baud. 2. Main loop. Continuously checks the signal variable and executes the corresponding action. 3. Repeating task uses millis to track time intervals. Toggles the relay on-off based on elapsed time. 4. SOS signal. Sends 3 sets of short, 200 ms, and long, 500 ms signals to represent SOS Morse code. 5. Serial command interface. Listens for incoming serial commands. Updates the signal variable based on received commands. Best practices. 1. Modular functions for different operations. 2. Use of descriptive variable names. 3. Efficient switch statement for command processing. This program demonstrates a versatile relay control system that can be controlled manually, perform periodic tasks, and send distress signals. It showcases Arduino's ability to interact with high-voltage devices safely through relays, making it useful for various home automation and IoT applications.